Stem cuttings are a common method of plant propagation, where a portion of a stem is removed from a parent plant and placed in a suitable medium to develop roots, resulting in genetically identical new plants. When it comes to trees, propagating them through stem cuttings can be more easy than with grafting. However, some tree species can indeed be rooted successfully using this method. For instance, mulberries, guava, and citrus are examples of trees that can be propagated from stem cuttings. Unlike seeds, which introduce genetic variability, stem cuttings allow you to create new trees that retain the exact characteristics of the parent tree. Here's a brief overview of the process. Remember, successful propagation depends on factors like timing, plant type, and proper care during the rooting process. Happy gardening!